Big R comfortable team Big R comfortable team on overpass. And one of the reasons why is because they have a couple different ways to hit short, or the B site rather. Now, towards the B site area, it's actually very typical to use the monster side to attack towards B, but Big, they actually like to use the short area to hit towards B. And the reason why is because they have a couple really well-placed flashes that make it possible. So the first flash here is this one that lands over towards that short side. It pops right about here next to the wood wall and the pillar. And with this flash, it's actually very useful because what it does is it basically blinds this monster area to allow the players from short to scale up. And as well, they also layer it with the second flash. With this second flash, this lands towards that graffiti side, towards that pit area. And what this does is it blinds basically the left side of the site. What this does ultimately is it allows both sides to be blinded here towards that B site and allow these players to basically come out, because whenever you're coming out towards the short area, there are so many different angles that you have to worry about. So by using these two sets of flashes, it allows them to come out. You'll see that from Sin's point of view, as he comes out here, the reason why he's so confident that he essentially could put his back towards that graffiti side is because he has those flashes in place. That's what allows him to get this kill onto Borup. But as well, pay attention to the pathing here. You'll notice that with Sin, when he comes in, he hugs this very right wall. And the reason why he does that essentially is to ensure that he doesn't get blinded by this flash, because if he peeked that angle from this left side, he would actually get blinded. The pathing is key here. So if you watch this again, you'll see that he goes close to the wall here to then find the pathing towards that B site. Has his back turned to graffiti as well. And in addition, the reason why he has that possibility is because Mantu also throws this Molotov here towards graffiti. This Molotov here makes it difficult for CTs to rotate in and fight the B site. What it does ultimately is it allows these players, as they're coming out towards short, as they're fanning through, they don't have to worry about graffiti. It allows them to then isolate Blame F, who's towards that water position, and they can't really do anything about it. Sin, he's able to find this kill onto Blame F, and then Stare, by the time the Molotov fades, he now has to worry about the entire site. So Big, they love to hit the B site, but they do it in a very unconventional way. They like to go up short instead off these two flashes as well as the Molotov.